Welcome to Crypto Night. My name is Ife, and in this video, I am going to talk about the ongoing Mudrex event that allows you to earn up to $500 on the Mudrex platform. Keep in mind that nothing I say in this video is financial advice. Always do your own research. For those that are not familiar with this platform, Mudrex is an automated trading platform where you can invest in trading strategies and make consistent profits over time. And right now, if I scroll up, you would see right here that I am invested in a strategy. Now, this is a strategy that trades BTC on Binance Spot. As you can see, currently I am up over 5%. This is how I use Mudrex to make consistent profits over time. Now, let's talk about how you can earn up to $500 when you deposit on the Mudrex platform. This is an ongoing event and it is valid till 31st of August. Right now, if you deposit on the Mudrex platform, you would be given a reward. And the easiest way to deposit on Mudrex is through the Mudrex wallet. This is how the Mudrex wallet looks like. As you can see, this wallet is powered by Binance. So what this means is that you are using a Binance account created for you by Mudrex, and you can deposit any of these coins directly to Mudrex. The reason why I prefer using the Mudrex wallet to deposit is because since I am using a Binance account, I would be charged zero fees when I deposit into this Mudrex wallet. And also, you can get 40% discount on exchange fees when using this Mudrex wallet to invest in your strategies. Now, this is how you can participate in this campaign. All you need to do is to deposit any crypto token in your Mudrex wallet before the 31st of August. Then the value of the crypto token that you deposit into your Mudrex wallet would be calculated on the 1st of September. And also, if you make any withdrawals during this period, it will be subtracted from your final calculation. And when the campaign has ended, rewards would be credited in your prepaid Mudrex wallet. Now, there are three tiers in this event. The first tier right here is when you deposit $250 to $500 worth of crypto token and you would get $10 in reward. The tier 2, as you can see, if you deposit $500 to $1,000, you would get $25 bonus. Deposit above $1,000 and you would stand the chance to get $100 in reward. And as you can see, there is another section where it says mega reward. Now, this is for the highest deposited amount and you can get up to $500 in bonus. So from now till the 31st of August, if you deposit any of these coins right here from as low as $250 to over $1,000, you would be qualified to receive rewards on Mudrex. So that's how you can participate in this Mudrex event. Once you've made deposits in your Mudrex wallet, you can invest in any of these strategies. I've made a video on how you can get set up with Mudrex. If you click the link up there right now, it will take you to a detailed video on how you can simply invest in any of these strategies. The video is straightforward as I went through a step-by-step process in getting set up on Mudrex. And before I end this video, let me show you something that will be coming to Mudrex very soon. Now, if you go over to this invest section, select coin sets. Right here, you can invest in multiple assets at the same time. It is like a basket of coins where you can invest in each basket and make profits when any of these assets go up in value. If you look up here, you will see that this basket contains 5 crypto assets weighed by market cap, and next to it are 10 of the most promising tokens by market cap. And you can scroll down also and see various baskets to invest in. These are 10 smart contracts platform by market cap and also top 6 tokens changing the way internet works. So there are different sets of investment baskets that you can choose from, and this would be available on Mudrex by next month. So you can easily join the waitlist right here and start investing in all these baskets of crypto tokens on the Mudrex platform. Right now, this is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section and I would gladly answer them. This is going to be it and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.